Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a section on Wix. Sometimes when you're designing your website, there are sections that you no longer need or want. Removing them is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through each step so you can do it confidently. First, log into your Wix account and go to your site's dashboard. From there, look for Site Actions or a similar option and click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you can customize every part of your website. Once the editor loads, you'll see your website laid out on the screen. Hover over the sections until you find the one you want to delete. As you move your cursor, different sections will be highlighted, making it easy to identify exactly what you're about to remove. When you've located the section, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options. Scroll through the menu and click Delete. Just like that, the section is removed from your page. After deleting, it's always a good idea to preview your site. Click the Preview button at the top of the editor to see how your website looks before publishing. If everything looks correct, hit Publish to make the changes, live for your visitors. And that's it. Deleting a section on Wix is that simple. Whether it's old content or a design you've changed your mind about, you can remove it in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials and tips.